Welcome to English Guru.
Eating at a restaurant is a fun way to practice your English. It's a social activity that allows you to interact with others in a relaxed setting. Whether you're dining with friends, family, or even by yourself, it's a great opportunity to use and improve your language skills. Don't be afraid to try. Ordering food can be a bit intimidating at first, but it's a valuable experience. You get to learn new vocabulary and phrases, and the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Waiters are used to helping people order. They encounter many customers every day, so they are familiar with different accents and levels of language proficiency. They are friendly and patient. Most waiters are happy to assist you and make sure you have a pleasant dining experience. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. You can point at the menu if you need to. This is a simple and effective way to communicate your choice, especially if you're unsure about pronunciation.
Start with a smile. A smile can go a long way in making a good first impression. A smile shows that you are friendly. It helps to create a positive atmosphere and makes interactions more pleasant for everyone involved.
It's okay if you are nervous. Everyone feels shy sometimes. Remember, the goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
The most important thing is to be polite. Politeness goes a long way in making your dining experience enjoyable. Use please and thank you when you talk to the waiter. These simple words show respect and appreciation for their service. This shows respect and good manners. It also helps to build a positive rapport with the staff, which can enhance your overall dining experience.
Remember, everyone makes mistakes. It's a natural part of learning and growing. If you say something wrong, it's okay. Just try again. The important thing is to keep practicing and not to get discouraged. Enjoy your meal and the experience of learning in a real-world setting. When you walk in, the waiter might ask, "How many?" This is a common question to determine the size of your party and find the best seating arrangement for you. Tell them how many people are in your group. This helps the staff prepare the right table for you, ensuring everyone has a comfortable place to sit. You can say, "A table for two, please." This is a polite and clear way to communicate your needs to the waiter.
If you don't see a free table, ask, "Is there a table available?" This question helps you understand if you need to wait or if there are other seating options. The waiter will show you where to sit. They will guide you to your table, making sure you are comfortable and have everything you need.
Sometimes you need to wait for a table. This can happen during busy times, like weekends or holidays, when many people are dining out. The waiter might say, "It will be about 10 minutes. This gives you an idea of how long you will need to wait before being seated.
You can wait at the bar. This is a great option if you want to enjoy a drink or appetizer while you wait, or in the waiting area. Many restaurants have a designated space with comfortable seating for guests who are waiting for a table. When your table is ready, the waiter will come and get you. They will escort you to your table, ensuring you are settled in and ready to enjoy your meal.
The waiter will give you a menu. Take your time and look at the choices. If you need help, ask the waiter.
You can say, "What do you recommend?" or "What is this dish?" The waiter can explain the food to you.
When you are ready to order, tell the waiter what you want. For example, "I would like the chicken sandwich, please."
Don't forget to order drinks. You can say, "Can I have a glass of water or I'll have a Coke, please?"
When you are finished eating, ask for the bill. This is a common practice in restaurants around the world. It signals to the waiter that you are ready to settle your account and leave. You can say, "Check, please," or "Can I get the bill, please?" These phrases are polite and universally understood by waitstaff.
The waiter will bring you a receipt. This receipt will detail all the items you ordered and their respective prices. Check the bill to make sure it is correct. Sometimes mistakes can happen, so it's always a good idea to review it carefully. Look for any discrepancies or items you didn't order.
In some countries, you leave a tip for the waiter. This is a way to show appreciation for their service. The amount can vary, but a common practice is to leave around 10 to 20% of the total bill. This is extra money to say thank you for good service. It can make a big difference to the waitstaff, who often rely on tips as a significant part of their income. You can leave cash on the table or add a tip when you pay with a card. If you choose to tip with a card, there is usually a space on the receipt where you can write the tip amount.
Then you can say, "Thank you," and leave the restaurant. This simple gesture of gratitude can leave a positive impression and is a courteous way to end your dining experience.